Luts are a fast and easy way to color grade videos. All you need is a great collection of Luts, and today, I'm giving you my favorite cinematic Luts for free at the end of this video.
Thank you.
But first, let's learn how to install Luts in DaVinci Resolve. You click on this little cog. By default you'll probably be on presets or master settings. Come down to color management. And then you'll see at the top color space and transforms. Scroll down to Lookup Tables. You'll to do is click on Open LUT folder. And what that will do is bring up your folder that is all your LUTs. Like I create a new folder, name 2024 and paste a LUTs into. If you downloaded LUTs on the internet, you could just open up your downloads folder, and drag and drop the LUTs into the folder that you want. So once you've dragged and dropped your LUT into that folder, then you need to do is click here on Update List, then click Save. Now I add a new LUT. First thing, I do add a new node. And then right click on this. You can see here new LUT folder that we created. Here is our LUT. And simply click on it and it will apply. You can download DaVinci Resolve and LUTs absolutely free. Watch and click on this video. I've also linked more helpful videos in the description. So check them out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.